Your Google business profile has been suspended. Now, there's two types of business owners that I want to address in today's video. You have your normal business owner like you that has gotten a suspension on your business account. And then there's other business owners that are going out and creating multiple Google business assets and they're getting suspended and they're asking me, Chris, what should I do? So the very first thing is if you're a business owner and you've gotten your account suspended, don't pay companies if they can get you unsuspended. All they're doing is coming to a form like this exact page as a representative and submitting the details that are on this form on your behalf. And if you're getting unsuspended, great, you could pay them $500. If not, oh well, no harm. So you can do this yourself. It's a two-step process. The first step is go to support.google.com/business/troubleshooter/2690129, as you can see here in the URL bar. Or if you want, what you can also do is you can just type in Google Business Profile Local Business Reinstatement Request into Google, and you can actually find this reinstatement request yourself. So if you type this in, here, I'll show you. If you go over here to Google, and stick with me, I have plenty of tips for you. So it's called the Google Business Profile Reinstatement Request. So if you just go to Google and type this in, you'll find it right here, Troubleshooter. So fix suspended profiles, you can come right over here, and then you can find this right here. It'll say, use this form. Click on this, and bam, you'll be brought to this page. Or you could just go to the URL that I'm showing up here in the very top of the URL bar. So the first tip that I want to give you if you're a business owner is you don't have to pay somebody after they can reinstate your account. They're just rolling the dice to see if you're going to give them money or not, because you can go and do this yourself. So the next piece is if you are a business owner and you've gotten a suspended listing, you want to do two things. The first thing you want to do is, as a representative for your company, as a representative, you come into this form and you fill out all of these details. The questions are very easy. Here's the questions here. I filled them all out. Have you already submitted a request? Are you the official representative? Is your business permanently at the address? Have you entered accurate street information? Does your business operate in the service area? Do you conduct face-to-face business at your locale? And do you have multiple accounts? These are the questions. That's it. You fill out this redressal form as a representative first. So you submit that one as a representative. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to check your email that's attached to your Google business profile. And you're going to get something that looks just like this. I mean, literally just like this. Inside of this email, what you want to do is you want to submit for reinstatement. It's going to bring you to the same page. So you'll follow this reinstatement, and then you're going to do it from the actual Gmail that the account was suspended in. So first, from a separate one as a representative. Second, through the actual email. So this will be two. All right. So as a actual business owner that has a legitimate business, this is all you have to do. You don't need to go to, there's no special sauce. There's nothing that somebody else special can do. There's no strings to pull. They are submitting a reinstatement request for you. And if it goes through, they're going to ask you for payment. If not, no harm, no foul. So please, if you're a business owner, don't get caught up in this. There's no special sauce or anything like that. It's simply a reinstatement form. That's it. Okay? Because I business owners coming to me like, hey, should I do this? Should I do that? Like, is there some kind of special sauce? I didn't know they could. What do you think? These guys work at Google? Right? So please, as a business owner, do yourself a massive service. Fill out the form once as a representative. Second, go through your email and fill it out again. Okay? Again, where you do this at is support.google.com/business/troubleshooter/2690129, as you can see up here in the URL bar. Now, for you grayer hat guys, okay? I'm speaking to you now. So I've gone out and created tons of these listings. I've had tons of them suspended, and I've had tons of them unsuspended. Because, as a gray hat, let me tell you this. All right, this is the other side of the fence now. If you're a non-business, if you're just creating these businesses, what I want to state is this. It's an automated system. What I have found is simply by just submitting, a lot of times they'll get reinstated. So if you get the suspension and you go into the account and it's suspended, just go through like a real business owner, because remember, you are a real business owner. Submit the form. A lot of times it's just going to go through. If you need to do further due diligence, then it's lost. Just move on to the next one. But a lot of these times it's just an automated system. It's going to be an automated yes or an automated manual action. I think that there's a system there. If 1,000 of them come in, it's like, okay, one gets kicked out, one goes through, or 10 gets kicked out, one goes through. There's probably some way of sifting for quality control. It's probably some kind of algorithm for quality control where they're like, okay, kick, manual, kick, yes, kick, yes, kick, yes, right? Something like that, where some of them are getting kicked out, some of them are going for manual review, some of them are just going right through depending on the trust of the account. And that's what I'm finding. Some of them are going to manual review. A lot of them are just going right through and unsuspending. And some of them are just a lost cause. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you that piece of information. My name is Chris Palmer. If you're running into Google Business Profile suspensions, you want me to walk you through the reinstatement form, reach out to me. Go to chrispalmerseo.com. Go ahead and feel free to reach out to me. You can book a time with me, whatever you want to do. If I can help you in any way, ask your questions below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next Google Business Profile suspension, hopefully unsuspended video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.